क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? क्या हुआ है? What has happened? What has happened? अभी तुम क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? तुम क्या सोच रही हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? What can I do? What can I do? क्या करें? What to do? What to do? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do? What should we do? आपने क्या सोचा? What have you thought? What have you thought? क्या बोला आपने? What did you say? What did you say? तुमने क्या सुना? What did you hear? What did you hear? तुम्हारे हाथ में क्या है? What's in your hand? What's in your hand? वह क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? राजू क्या खा रहा है? What is Raju eating? What is Raju eating? तुम मेरे बारे में क्या सोचोगे? What will you think about me? What will you think about me? मैसेज में क्या है? What's in the message? What's in the message? तुम क्या लाए थे? What did you bring? What did you bring? आपके दिमाग में क्या है? What is in your mind? What is in your mind? उसने आपको क्या बताया? What did he tell you? What did he tell you? तुम चाहती क्या हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं? What are you asking? What are you asking? तुम क्या काम करते हो? What work do you do? What work do you do? अभी क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? क्या समझे? What do you understand? What do you understand? यहां क्या हो रहा है? What's going on over here? What's going on over here? टेबल पर क्या है? What's on the table? What's on the table? तुम करना क्या चाहती हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? तुम क्या दे सकते हो? What can you give? What can you give? क्या पढ़ रही हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या करते हैं? What does your father do? What does your father do? मेरे बारे में क्या सोचा है? What have you thought about me? What have you thought about me? समय क्या हुआ है? What is the time? What is the time? वह क्या जानता है? What does he know? What does he know? तुम क्या जानते हो? What do you know? What do you know? लोग क्या सोचेंगे? What will people think? What will people think? वह क्या ढूंढ रही है? What is she looking for? What is she looking for? आप लोग क्या खेल रहे हैं? What are you guys playing? What are you guys playing? मुझ में क्या कमी है? What is missing in me? What is missing in me? उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? उसे क्या कहना है? What does he have to say? What does he have to say? कप में क्या है? What's in the cup? What's in the cup? तुम्हारा भाई क्या करता है? What does your brother do? What does your brother do? तुम्हें क्या हासिल हुआ? What did you gain? What did you gain? तुम क्या लिख रही हो? What are you writing? What are you writing? मैं क्या सीखूंगा? What will I learn? What will I learn? वह क्या पी रहा है? What is he drinking? What is he drinking? तुम क्या पियोगे? What will you drink? What will you drink? खाने में क्या है? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? यह क्या लिखा है? What is this written? What is this written? मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए? What should I eat? What should I eat? हम आज क्या खाएंगे? What will we eat today? What will we eat today? अंदर क्या है? What is inside? What is inside? घर के बाहर क्या है? What is outside the house? What is outside the house? तुम्हारे बैग में क्या है? What's in your bag? What's in your bag? मेरे बारे में क्या जानते हो? What do you know about me? What do you know about me? इसका मूल्य क्या है? What is its value? What is its value? तुम्हारा सपना क्या है? What is your dream? What is your dream? सपने में क्या देखा? What did you see in the dream? What did you see in the dream? कुत्ता क्या खाता है? What does a dog eat? What does a dog eat? कार के नीचे क्या है? What's under the car? What's under the car? बच्चे क्या खेलेंगे? What will children play? What will children play? क्या तल रही हो? What are you frying? What are you frying? बक्से में क्या रखा है? What is kept in the box? What is kept in the box? उसको क्या मिला? What did he get? What did he get? तुम्हें क्या मिला? What did you get? What did you get? आपकी आशा क्या है? What is your hope? What is your hope? बच्चे को क्या खिला रही हो? What are you feeding the baby? What are you feeding the baby? तुमने क्या सुना? What did you hear? What did you hear? हमने क्या नहीं देखा? What haven't we seen? What haven't we seen? वह क्या जानती है? What does she know? What does she know? तुम मुझे क्या समझते हो? What do you think about me? What do you think about me? आप क्या बेच रहे हैं? What are you selling? What are you selling? तुम क्या खरीदना चाहते हो? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? इसमें हंसने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to laugh about? What is there to laugh about? इसमें डरने की क्या बात है? What is there to fear in this? What is there to fear in this? तुम पूछ क्या रही हो? What are you asking? What are you asking? उसने क्या समझा? What did he understand? What did he understand? आपकी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? इसका उत्तर क्या है? What is its answer? What is its answer? सवाल क्या है? What is the question? What is the question? तुम और क्या जानते हो? What else do you know? What else do you know? तुम्हारे पास क्या बहाना है? What excuse do you have? What excuse do you have? आप क्या पीना चाहेंगे? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? आप क्या पढ़ाते हैं? What do you teach? What do you teach? आपकी उम्र क्या है? What is your age? What is your age? इसकी लंबाई क्या है? What is its length? What is its length? तुम्हारे घर वाले क्या चाहते हैं? What do your family members want? What do your family members want? आसान काम क्या है? What is easy work? What is easy work? इसका कारण क्या है? What is the reason for this? What is the reason for this? तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? आपका शौक क्या है? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? आपकी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? तुम क्या हो? What are you? What are you? आपको क्या अच्छा लगा? What did you like? What did you like?